Hello, love. I'm here for a drink. Guess I deserve that one.
Oh, you definitely did deserve that. Excuse me.
Shillington.
So you'd like to have a drink, is it?
Rum, darling. Give me your best rum.
Well, you happen to be in an Irish pub, and what we have is Irish beer, Irish whiskey, and Irish cream.
But where is the rum?
Again, it's Irish whiskey, Irish cream, and Irish beer.
But why is the rum gone?
Oh, because it's St. Patrick's Day after all, and it's me, Indiana Jones, and I'm here with Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow, love. Captain.
Oh, yes, Captain Jack Sparrow, captain of being drunk all the time. But we're here to celebrate St. Patrick's Day in an Indiana Jones way. And well, although I might not have rum, I do have an alternative for you. So let's try out some Irish beers. Well, they're not all Irish. There's Irish and Scottish and English, but you get my gist. It's all about the beautiful British Isles, don't you think? It'll be nice.
Can it get me a little drunk?
Oh yes, very drunk. So let's go check out what I have for the St. Patrick's Day special with Captain Jack Sparrow. Come, love.
Let's go, dog.
Yes, let's go. We'll be right back.